I always say if you get an offer for something free, get ready to pay. You can't stay in business if you're giving stuff away, like these free trial periods for anti-aging creams or diet supplements. You get to use it for just the cost of shipping. Yeah, right. Judy wrote me, I sent for a sample of wrinkle cream for $4.98. That's usually the shipping cost. A week later, they withdrew $98 from my account. They told me I'd have to return the sample, which I did by priority mail. And they still have her money. It happened to this woman.
So I figured out what the heck. Let me click on it and see what's going on.
$4.79 to try a face cream. Donna gave her credit card number just for shipping charges. Then she got her statement.
You just signed up for a year's supply at $89.95 per month.
She got hit for nearly $270. We helped Donna get that back. All of these operate the same way. Your account gets hit, you're told you didn't return it in time or did something else wrong, and they purposely confuse you. Judy was told the refund would not go through. She called the only number she had and was told, I should be calling the company. The Federal Trade Commission has come down on the worst of the worst, but there's still a lot of these guys out there. Be careful. You don't want your face cream order turning into more wrinkles. Go to abc15.com, click on sections and let Joe know to see all the ways to protect your money. Here's how you get hold of me. I'm Investigator Joe Ducey. If you've got a problem, let me know.